guys,
Luca's gonna be my voice because I have no voice.
hey guys, so today we're making kites.
Today we're going to do another class at the library.
Translation. Hello everybody. Today we're going to do a class at the library that
And it's gonna be very fun
that Luca wanted to do.
because I'll be teaching it with my
Be quiet. It's like, you have to put subtitles under because you can't understand anything she says. We're gonna have so much fun making the kites.
I can't even yell anymore.
Let's just go.
This is the kite I think we're gonna be making.
Look, you have to say for Emma. What is this?
We're gonna make this kite.
Oh, I said it perfectly fine.
Actually, you can make different kites. Look,
Well,
see?
just different colors, but this is the shape we're making.
Yeah.
Like this,
Oh,
a bird.
Yeah.
This is like trash, but they made it into a
It's not trash. It's plastic. There's a difference.
I know.
Oh, hello.
Our teacher, Nyoman, is gonna teach us how to make kites. Kites. And we are doing this with a Aussie family today. So we're gonna have a different accent going on here. Accent, because we have different accents.
This is just example.
Oh, that's just an example. It's not the one we're making. This is the shape of the kite you're making, the material you use. It's just to show
We
it.
can knop down, we can open and close.
Oh, that's the material.
Yeah, this is the material.
What is it? Is it silk?
Yeah.
Wait, so this lasts longer.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can keep long time, but you must playing gentle later.
Yeah, let's not break it after 2 minutes we built it.
This bamboo, this is very strong.
The pillows are to protect them,
It's a table.
so they avoid to cutting their legs while they're cutting the
You're not
bamboo.
cutting the leg.
No, that's because you're avoiding it with the pillow.
Avoiding cutting.
Yes. Yeah. Sorry. See, she has more voice than
Our
you.
fingers don't matter.
Oh my gosh, you sound like a duck or something today.
Okay, I'll chop my fingers. It doesn't matter.
Listen to that accent. I love it.
I don't know
The
that.
Aussie accent.
I don't know that.
So that's the bamboo.
Yeah, this is the skin. You can keep much later the skin because this is make strong for the kite. Sometimes we make like the big kite 6 months. Like a
It takes 6 months to make it.
Yeah, festival like a 3 meter or 5 meter.
Wow. The festival is in June.
Yeah, June. Yeah, they try at the beach. Only the beach
Yes.
you can fly. They make like 6 months. It's a long time process.
We're gonna carve this into a knife. We'll use this knife to carve the rest.
So that's the center.
Yeah, this
It makes it look so smooth and easy. It's not working.
I think he's been doing it for a long time.
You think?
Now she's gonna show you the technique.
How do you do that?
Okay, slowly. Okay, just follow.
You're still working on the same stick, right?
I have no idea. No, I think we're switching sticks and like carving new ones.
I'm gonna ask your neighbor here because she seems to know better. Is this the same stick you were carving before?
No, this is thicker.
stick.
Oh, okay. That was my question. You're like, I
That's
don't know.
what I
I'm
was
not-
saying.
No, you were like, I'm not sure.
Oh,
I
I
think.
mean, this is like feels the same as mine.
I think Georgia knows better. So this one they're carving now is gonna go here, and the one they carved before, it's this side.
Wings, yeah.
Ah, okay.
Oh, and now we have to do the little triangle thing.
This one.
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm their best student.
Why? Because you're already done?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is special.
And he's like, oh, you're very good.
Oh, so good.
I always get the A plus plus plus.
Ah, you know, I have a secret.
What?
They're not grading you. We're not in school. This is why it's world schooling.
We don't do that in school in Australia.
Yeah, you wouldn't do this, right?
We're cleaning.
Oh,
Yeah.
are you cleaning?
No, I'm not. This bamboo's very strong. You bend it, it doesn't break, and you pull it, and it doesn't. They put the rope on a can.
Oh.
String make for the kite.
I mean string.
Hold this and then I know.
Luca knows everything. So he's showing you how to tie it.
Start in here, finish inside, yeah? Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
just turn.
Yeah, yeah, no,
Turn around.
yeah, okay.
Like that,
Yeah,
like that.
okay.
Okay.
Keep turning around.
Start and finish inside. Come back here, okay?
Meanwhile, these three are eating. You should be working.
Why do you better eat? Unfair.
We're not having
They're having a kite break.
Yeah, but these are gonna make.
Oh, we have 3 girls and 3 boys. Look at that. Let's see if Emma knows now what she's doing.
Wrapping the string.
Oh,
Still wants another biscuit.
oh, you want another biscuit or cookie? What do you want?
Flaky croissant.
Ben already did it.
Do I do that again?
A bunch of times.
Cosimo's already at the second part.
Okay.
Set.
He's more quick.
And then.
Well, he's the first one in line.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Cosimo, you are the A student, right? So what are you doing?
I'm making the letter T with this
So
other
you put
stick.
the smaller one there. And now
Yeah.
I
you're
have no idea how this works.
Now I'm making it like that. Hang on.
You need to.
Cha-cha. And I have to do this a bunch of times, make it really tight.
so instead of like making a knot, you just kind of put the string.
No, we made a knot too to knot
Oh,
this
to
part
start it?
to start the string. Yeah. Okay, so we put it in the top.
Set, yeah.
These are to block it.
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a connector.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
So now I have to connect the stick.
Yeah.
So now I have to add more string.
Yeah.
I was cover your head.
Okay.
Emma, stop.
No.
Oh.
I mean, it looks fine.
I mean, it looks fine.
No,
Yeah.
better go than that
One.
part is
2, 3, okay? Back here.
It has to be nice and tight.
Ah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so you wrap the string around the top after you do this.
Look in front of me, robot.
Ah, you put in that. 1, 2, 3, and then
Yeah,
in this,
Then, yeah.
and then here.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
want the. Look at that! Ha ha ha!
Oh, how did you do that? You didn't do that, did you?
Well, the guy helped me, but
You know, you don't gossip about your brother.
Your brothers.
No, she's just gossiping about me.
Can you explain what you're doing?
So I'm going to each side and wrapping the string around 3 times.
Very tight.
Very tight.
But then
And then
2, 3.
No, but then you'll get
And then-
unloose and you'll lose your actual card.
Hang on.
see, it's hard.
1, 2,
Mine is perfect.
3.
Yeah, look at here.
And now,
Ready. And
Look at that.
Simple.
okay.
Just look.
When I go up here,
And you do the same thing.
yep.
That's
1,
easy.
2,
Look at this.
3. And then lock it. This goes
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
One on every side.
Yeah.
So this is what everybody has to do. So the boys need a little break. Apparently they're exercising.
I got up.
But let's go back here. So we're right next to where we usually come and do our classes. Picnic Library. They're right next door, and they also offer cooking classes and kite making class. And here we have our 3 girls. We're not having sushi today,
We're
guys.
eating, we're eating snack break and then continue on the kites.
She wants all the
What are
crackers.
these for?
Why can't I do it? It's for the other part.
These are going here
Oh, the four.
Yep.
because that's, and then there's the long ones over there.
So you're making the skeleton of the kite.
You know the thing that you make for ice cream cone? What's that called again?
Okay, and then there.
Yeah.
We're doing that.
Is it like this?
Yeah.
Oh, look.
So this is the lower part of the kite.
And then it's gonna be the top, and then we have to do this.
No.
Like that.
Wow.
Okay, yeah.
It just became bigger than what it started with. Oh, so now you have the top part too.
No, a yellow. Wait, it looks like a turtle.
It does look like a turtle. You're right. So now we pick the colors.
We have 2 color letter in the middle also.
Okay, I'll
see?
do blue.
Oh, see if it's in line. Ah, I see.
Everything.
Ah, you check it. And there you go. Now you
How
have
do
to
you say
glue it.
thank you in Indonesian?
Bali, Indonesian. Bali,
Both.
but Bali suksema.
Suksema.
Is thank you.
Ya, Balinese.
Indonesia, terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Oh, what? 2 different things. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Iya.
Terima
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Like, do
Balinese.
most Balinese people know both or just one?
No, just only sometimes Balinese people.
Oh, okay.
When you're speaking with Indonesian, like from Jakarta people, they can speak like Indonesian.
You're painting, Emma. You're gluing. So where do you have to glue?
Everywhere except for on these 2 small ones. They're gonna be for
Folding it.
Yeah, because this is for knockdown, they cannot put some glue. This all
Okay.
good.
Everywhere else.
Oh,
Also on the string.
Ya, ya.
Also with the string.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night.
Not sure who's better at this.
She's gonna help me with some parts.
Okay, so she's giving it to you. So get to work.
Remember that
Time to put it on.
They don't copy me with blue. That is cool.
And just like that, we have a kite.
Looks like cobwebs. The blue.
And then you fold.
yeah, for
Ah.
I'm changing my mind. Instead of doing blue and black, I'm gonna do black and white.
This is Emma's. It matches your headband.
Oopsies.
Yeah, it started raining. And they're probably all wet now. Luckily, there's Cosimo, that's the chariot. Oh, they're already cut. So you pick a color. It's going to go in the middle like this. So you picked yellow.
But it was. Oh, wait.
I see
Why
it
didn't he cut
matches
mine?
your clothes.
Wait, I want. Wait.
what color do you have? The red one?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Yellow or purple?
Welcome to Bali.
This guy's having some diarrhea.
Maybe it was
Did you
you.
not just hear that?
she didn't get to.
Don't tell them.
Okay, so final touch.
We interrupt this video for a brief message from our sponsors.
Which is?
Cosimo, the
Thanks.
brand. Cosimo, the brand, has sponsored this video. If you didn't know, Cosimo, the brand, gives you free hands and other body parts for free. So if you download it right now using the my code, Cosimo, the cool guy, and go to Cosimo.com, you will get 3 free hands and you won't get paid forever. You'll only have one chargement fee, which will be used. Just will be one hug. That's the chargement fee. And now let's go back to the video. Bye. Go fly a kite. Oh, copyright. Sorry guys, they took us off YouTube because now I sang that song.
You sang
is the
it.
last
They took
video.
it off because you saw it sing terribly.
Yeah, and because that song is copyright. So this is the last one on YouTube. So subscribe because this channel is going away.
Stop talking like that.
They have to put the line in and then they're done.
So now we're putting the string. I have a hand here.
Make a control for the kite.
Make control.
Oh, it's the controls. Oh, look at that.
That's funny.
Ooh.
Ooh. Wait, is this how it keeps it steady? Or is
It's to control it.
string is for the other string, and then you add the other string. You know?
Awesomeness. Awesome sauce.
Red and black.
There you go. Okay, he's testing it out.
He has the string on the bottom.
Say, wait. How do you say it? How do you say thank you in Indonesian?
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Say it.
Suksemong.
Suksemong. Say that.
Terima
Luca,
kasih Indonesia.
where are you going? Show me the kite. Okay, the first kite is finished.
One.
Oh, how to close.
Remember, put on the floor.
Yep.
Like
Okay.
use your hand together. Cannot use like this. Stand up, cannot. Sometimes they can make like broken. Next gentle. Slowly. Together. Okay?
Oh, and you make that.
Yeah.
Those come out.
Another one also. Slowly. Okay?
Oh my gosh, look at that. And it's a travel
Yeah.
kite just in a
Also, when you
second.
need open, also just use on the top.
On the floor, also for opening.
Yeah, just slowly. And use together again. Okay?
Voila. And your kite is ready to travel.
High five.
Emma, are we going to practice today?
Did you not realize that the 2 days weren't here?
It's pouring.
Oh, that's
It's
fine.
raining and pouring.
And what happens if you put the kite under the rain?
It grows because it drinks some water. It melts.
It melts.
Let's go fly a kite up in the highest flight. Oh, let's go.
Fly a kite. Yay! Thank you!
Suksemong.
The one thing we learned today is thank you in both Indonesian and Balinese.
Yeah.
So we're good now.
Suksemong. Bagus deh.
Radical. Let's go surf. Surf's up, man.
So they built the kites yesterday. Then it started pouring, so they couldn't try them. This morning there is no wind, so we're trying this.
Well, they said in the afternoon.
There should be wind
Yeah.
or rain. Wow! So the only way you can use it now is running with it. Cosimo's running.
The line!
Oh no, the line! Okay, when you come to Bali, you should definitely learn to build a kite. It's a very interesting process. This is how you make them fly when there's no wind. You run with them.
Oh, look at
Oh no! They will tell you that the best spot is the beach. We'll go there in a few weeks. Now we're having a lot of assistance from locals on flying our kites. Okay, we finally get to fly our kites on the beach.
Goodbye, guys.
Our kites work. They work so well that
They have autopilot.
they planted them. So where you see the flip-flops, there's a kite. There's Luca's, Cosimo's, him is still holding on to hers. And there they are in the sky. That's Luca's, the other behind is Cosimo, and Emma's right there.
And guys, now we're gonna see something very cute.
What is he doing?
Let's go.
What are you doing?
Fly a kite up to the highest fight. Oh, let's go. Fly a kite. Like and subscribe for more.